You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce these names. For more confusing names pronounced, make sure to stay tuned. We got them all here. You can skip to the end of the video to learn more. The most common pronunciation in English is as Mayra. I know a lot of people tend to say Mayra, but no. Some people may pronounce it Mayra. Do you pronounce it Mayra, your own name or somebody who you know? Generally, English pronunciation, Mayra. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.